Welcome. Now let us see the details construction part of a permanent magnetic DC motor. This motor is generally rated at 12 volt and we have to give to the supply with the help of a 12-volt battery. Here we use a electronic eliminator whose output is 12 volt DC. Now by getting the supply the motor starts rotating. Now let us see the details parts constructional part of the motor. We have to open the back plate of the motor with the help of a screwdriver. These are two terminals where the supply is given. Now let us open it. This is two carbon brushes. These two carbon brushes are connected to the commutator segment and the supply is given to the armature through these two small carbon brushes. These are two terminals where supply is given. Now let us come to the rotor or armature part. The armature is present inside the permanent magnet housing. The armature consists of a number of windings on the pole. This is a permanent magnet housing. The magnet is permanent magnet. Inside this, the armature is present. Now, let us insert the armature inside the permanent magnet housing. Generally, the armature gets the supply to the commutator segment with the help of brushes. Now, let us see. We have to directly give to the supply this commutator segment. Let us see if the motor rotates or not. Now, we have to give the supply to the commutator segment. Yes, the motor rotates, but the problem is that there occurs some amount of sparking. Generally, this type of motor is used in recorders, VCD player, DVD players, etc. Performing a different experiment motor as generator. This type of motor can be act as generator. For this purpose, we require two same 12-volt permanent magnet type DC motor. To one DC motor, we have to give the supply which act as motor and the another act as generator. The middle portion is the coupler. This is the right side motor which act as generator. A LED is connected across the right side motor which act as a generator. The LED is connected because we have to see if the LED glows or not, that is, the right side generates voltage or not. Now, the supply is given to the left one which acts as motor. After getting the supply, with the help of coupler, it starts rotating the right side one, that is, to the right side motor which acts as a generator. Now, the right side motor starts generating. Yes, the LED glows. From the experiment, we conclude that the permanent magnet type DC motor can be worked as generator. Thank you.